Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 5 of my go-to outfits that definitely do not have an old lady vibe. However, I did at one time wear clothes that were very drab, very boring. I think a lot of us go through that kind of phase where we kind of give up, but then I snapped out of it. I remember that I'm a former model and I'm doing social media for you, and I really want you to go from drab to fab. So let's get started with these outfit inspirations, starting with one of my go-to outfits. Let's take a look. Oh, and just before I show you this outfit, I was invited to a premiere of a Matthew McConaughey movie, and the vibe was casual chic because there wasn't an after party. So this is the outfit that I also wore there. Now let's take a look. A crisp white shirt with denim always looks great. And here's my spin on it. Instead of just jeans, I wore a stretchy jean skirt where I can control the slit with the buttons. And it's just $35 and up to size extra large. The shirt is a classic by Lee Jeans for just $24, and it goes to size 2XL. I just put on a cami underneath and a mixture of faux pearls for $25 and a chain style necklace along with gold earrings. This really dressed up the look. I also added an almost invisible stretchy belt, and you can get 4 of these for just $17 to give a more feminine silhouette. I wore beige strappy sandals, or you could also wear flats or sneakers. My blue aviator glasses and straw purse add to this casual, classy, and chic outfit. And as usual, if you look in the video description or the first comment, you'll find many of the fashions that I'm modeling today. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find fashion finds for this season and for next season. And there's hundreds of choices that I've picked out for you. But for now, brown is a color that is really trending right now. And it wasn't something I had a lot in my wardrobe, but I picked up an item and matched it with something, and I think it looks fabulous. Let's look at that one. Once again, remember, you don't have to wear pants all the time to cover your legs. And this skirt is actually a long skirt, and it comes in 30 colors and is priced at just $38. I paired it with this fun but classy black top with polka dot sleeves for just $29, and piled on a couple of necklaces and other jewelry. These Anne Klein shoes are a Chanel style, and they're oh so comfy with this low block heel for $60. I added a real leather handbag that's just $55, and my go-to fold-up Ray-Ban sunglasses. A pair of black flats could have also worked with this outfit. I could go out to any get-together or dinner and look classy and chic, but still feel casual and comfy in this great outfit inspiration. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to kind of explain how I went from a top model to, well, from fab to drab. So, hey, we all go through something like that, right? So I wanted to, have a heart-to-heart with you about that. But what am I holding up here? I'm holding up a size chart because it's so important when you order online to make sure you know your measurements and also, compare it with every single item that you ordered. But for now, we're looking at outfit number 3. I've got a pair of pants in this one, and it's also great for the warmer weather. Let's take a look. I love these comfy linen pants with an elastic waist and pockets, and they're just $43 and come in short and tall and other colors too. Instead of wearing jeans that tend to be hot in the warmer weather, I'm wearing a pink cami by Hanes for just $13, and this chic and trendy denim vest that's just $41. I have a straw bag that conveniently has a pink hoodie by Hanes inside of it for just $12, and available in lots of colors for those evenings that tend to get colder. I have a pair of blue aviator sunglasses and a pair of very cool blowfish sneakers that are about $40 that I can slip in and out of. This look is so versatile for days where I'm visiting farmers markets or art festivals, or even when the sun goes down, I've got that hoodie to make it an all-day event. And if you like videos like these made by a real person and also a former model, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. Oh, and please click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't see my future videos. But for now, I got a dress styled for you. Let's take a look. I love this cotton red dress, and yes, dare to wear red, although this dress is available in other colors as well. It's 100% cotton outer and it's just $54. The stretchy jean jacket adds a youthful vibe and it's just $34. I added those blowfish sneakers that I love to the look, but I could have easily worn flats or sandals. I decided to put on a straw hat, and don't be afraid to wear a straw hat either. The straw bag can hold my sunglasses and umbrella if the weather turns a little rainy. A lot of times the weather's unpredictable, right? A dress is such a great option instead of pants all the time. Try an outfit like this and I promise you, you'll probably be wearing the easy breezy dresses more often. And as most of you know, I want you to look great on the outside, but I'm also very, very interested in helping you with wellness. And don't forget, check out www.agewellwithheather.com. Don't forget the www. And there you'll find the outline of the 26 videos that we have for you on wellness, yoga, 3 levels of exercises, and they're with my daughter who is a wellness instructor as well. So anyway, all the information is there. I want as many of you to enjoy this. You can just create your own kind of routine from everything, and it also has relaxation help as well. It's just $10, you know, it's $10 and you'll get a lot from it. We worked months on it, so it's valued at $100. So anyway, don't forget to check that out, www.agewellwithheather.com, and we'll also have a link in the description. But of course, we're ready to take a look at another outfit inspiration. A silky top can really bring up an outfit, and this white one for $30 is a great choice. I've come to realize that wide leg jeans are here to stay, and now Levi's jeans are 33% off and just $50 now, and available in short and regular sizes, different shades of denim, and of course they are stretchy. I'm wearing my Skechers slip-in sneakers for $60 and a terrific stretchy navy blouse for $12. I also piled on the jewelry to give this an upstyled, classy vibe. I added my Save the Girls cell phone purse for $37. And this is a great outfit where you want to feel casual chic and still have that touch of class. Now, I mentioned how I went into a slump, and again, I know it happens to the best of us. In my case, I had quit modeling because I wanted to have kids, and after I had kids, oh my gosh, I felt so big, I was huge. I felt I was huge, but I really wasn't, and I was wearing these oversized and black clothing because when I was a model, I was bulimic, and it was really all in my head that I thought I was overweight. So, and by the way, if you know any people, like especially women who are younger right now, who are bulimic or anorexic, please try to get them some help. In those days, I must have looked like 20 years older than I was, just by the way that I dressed, and I didn't wear a lot of makeup in those days either. But then all of a sudden I discovered social media, and about 7 years ago, I said to myself, you know, I'm getting back into fashion. I am going to help myself, and at the same time, I'm going to help other women to, look at fashion, dress for fashion for their age, the age groups and everything, and also be the best version of themselves. And about a month ago, I decided to really be more up close and personal with you. So I put into the mix of fashion, a little bit of like heart-to-heart chats about my home life, inspirational messages, that sort of thing. And I'd love to know in the comments if you are enjoying them. And the algorithm is really picking them up, so you can also look in the video description and also in the first comment, and you'll see something like /videos. And if you click on that, you can probably see some of them that you might have missed. As we travel this aging journey together, I want to keep it real. I want to be like you're chatting with me as a good friend. And, I want to share my fashion life, but I also want to share personal stories that probably, I hope, will inspire you as well. I want you to look good on the outside, but also feel great on the inside. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.